Hello students, now it's time to learn mathematics of class 2nd and take out your textbooks and open page number 35. Page number 75, sorry, not 35, it is 75. And now we have to complete the multiplication tables here. So you know very well 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Same, you have to complete this. Then the multiplication table of 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, and rest of these you have to complete by your own. And then multiplication table of 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, and rest of these complete by your own. Then multiplication table of 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, and complete these. Then the table of multiplication table of 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, and complete all these. And now same as we have done in our previous exercise, page number 73, same here. 9 3s are 27, and 27, and 3 9 is also 3 9s are 27, 5 7s are 35, and 7 5s are is also 35. So complete these. After that, next page, here you have to write the tables, or fill these blanks. Means 3 2s are 6. You have to learn all the multiplication tables up to 10, 2 to 10. So you have to complete this. 4 2s are 8. So complete these. After that, here we can see 2 multiply, here they have given a blank, and then 6. Means you have to read the table of 2 up to when the 6 will come. Means read 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Means you have to write 3. Here again we can see 2 multiply by which number, that will gives us 8. So start reading the multiplication table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 8 comes na, means 2 4s are 8. So same, you have to complete this. One more I will do for you. We will see this one. Here 5 multiply by which number, which gives us 12. So start reading the multiplication table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, means 3. Okay. Now here multiply. How we can multiply two numbers? First write the numbers in this way, and this is the sign, this is the symbol of multiplication. Okay, so how we can solve this? The number which will written down in front of this symbol, we have to read the table of that number. Means 2 multiply by 2, means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. One more, here you have to read the multiplication table of 8. means 8 multiplied by 3 means 8 3. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Here 4 multiplied by 5 means you have to read the table of 4 up to 5. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Same, you have to complete this exercise. And one more, page number 77. Here we can see the eggs, 2 rows, 1 row and 2 row of 3 eggs each, means there are 2 rows of each has 3 eggs, means 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 eggs in all. Here it is a tray of ice. Here we can see 4 rows, 1 row, 2 row, 3 row and 4 row. 4 row and has 4 ice cubes each, means 1 2 3 and 4. It means here 4 into 4 is equal to 4 fours are 16. One more I will do for you. Here we can see 3 rows, 1 row, 2 row and 3 row with 3 flowers each, means 3 rows and 3 flowers each is equal to 3 threes are 9. So complete this exercise also. Okay, then take care.